Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and seeing that you've made money while you slept. No boss, no long hours, no trading your time for a paycheck. Just income that flows in, even when you're not working. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. This is passive income, the secret weapon of the wealthy. But here's the problem. Most people waste years chasing the wrong ideas, and they give up before they ever see results. So today, I'm going to give you the best passive income ideas that actually work, even if you're starting from scratch. And number 7, that one can literally pay you for life, even if you stop working on it. Here's a harsh truth. If your only source of income is your job, you'll never truly be free. Why? Because a job pays you once, for hours you'll never get back. But passive income, it keeps paying you over and over, long after you've done the work. It's how the wealthy stay rich, and how you can escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Think about it. Have you ever heard a billionaire say, "I can't wait for my next paycheck"? But how do you actually build passive income when you don't have a ton of money or experience? Let's start with the easiest method, one that requires zero upfront investment. Ever wanted to sell t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without ever touching inventory? Print on demand lets you design once and get paid forever. Websites like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printify handle everything: printing, shipping, and even customer service. Your job? Just upload designs. Every sale equals pure passive income. But if designing isn't your thing, don't worry. The next idea is perfect for you. You don't need to show your face to make thousands on YouTube. Faceless YouTube channels like the one you're watching now make money on autopilot. The formula? Pick a profitable niche, create engaging content, and monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And no, you don't have to be the next Mr. Beast. Some of the most profitable channels never show a face. But what if you want to make money while literally doing nothing? Then this next idea is for you. Imagine getting paid just for owning stocks. That's exactly what dividends do. Companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and McDonald's literally pay you a percentage of their profits every quarter, just for holding their shares. Invest once and keep getting paid, forever. But if you're looking for something with higher returns, the next one might be your best bet. Real estate is one of the oldest wealth-building tools, and for good reason. With platforms like Airbnb, you don't even need to own a property. You can rent out a spare room, or even do rental arbitrage by renting a place and subleasing it legally. Yes, you can make money renting out a place that you don't even own. But what if I told you that you could make money with nothing but your voice? If you have a decent voice, you can make serious money recording audiobooks. Platforms like ACX, Amazon's audiobook exchange, let you record books for royalties, meaning you get paid every time someone listens. And here's an even crazier way to make money: by literally sleeping. Ebooks, templates, planners, and online courses, you create them once and they sell forever. Websites like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify make it easy to sell without ever touching a physical product. And the final idea? This one can make you millions if done right. Affiliate marketing is simple. Recommend a product, get paid when someone buys. No inventory, no customer service, just commissions rolling in while you sleep. Amazon, Shopify, and even banks offer affiliate programs where you can earn recurring commissions. It's like getting paid just for talking about stuff you love. But how do you start and avoid the mistakes that cost beginners thousands? The difference between people who struggle and those who become wealthy is multiple streams of income. You now have 7 powerful ways to start earning passive income. The question is, which one will you start today? But passive income alone won't make you rich unless you know how to manage it. That's why you need to watch this next video. Personal Finance 101, Managing Money Wisely. It's the blueprint for keeping and growing your wealth. See you next video.